रीडिंग ने आपके ओवरऑल एक क्लैरिटी के प्रोसेस में हाउ हैज़ इट हेल्प्ड इट? बिकॉज मे बी नाउ टुडेज टाइम हैज़ कम, द रील्स एंड एवरीथिंग, मे बी द attention span has gone down way lesser. So how has reading helped you over the years, and one book that you would recommend?
Oh, there are so many books actually I can recommend. मतलब
Probably we'll go step by step for the audience. So ask one. Botanist बोल देंगे तो दिल से नहीं हो पाएगा.
So reading, I feel कि देखो एक बुक जो कोई भी लिखता है ऑथर, वो अपनी पूरी जी जान लगा के अपनी पूरी लाइफ उसमें पोर कर रहा है. What better experience than learning from his life through that one book? My Sunday is actually dedicated to reading books other than my family time. Obviously, that is the only time I get with my family. But I have that kida of reading one book in a weekend. Otherwise, मुझे वो mental peace नहीं मिलता है. और कैसा है? Since I follow the schedule of getting up at a particular time, and since everybody is sleeping at that time on weekends, I get that peaceful few hours of reading a book. And reading has helped me enrich my knowledge. Obviously, documentaries and nowadays OTT platforms have covered so many books into series and all. But it's my choice, you know. I always feel that
does the job for you.
yes. I think, and what happens in OTT and all ना, क्या होता है, हम जब वो देखते हैं, कभी कभी हमारा ध्यान मोबाइल में रहता है, कहीं और रहता है. We don't get that one-to-one contact with it. Though other people may be getting, मतलब सबका अपना अपना नेचर है. I don't find watching a movie, I have not been able to connect with that the way I connect with a book, you know.
That's a passive role because you're in. You can
हाँ.
watch उनका चल रहा है,
हाँ.
नहीं भी देखोगे तो the thing is going on.
Correct.
But I believe book के साथ वैसा
नहीं होता है. हमको खुद पढ़ना पड़ता है ना.
आप भी पढ़ रहे हो ना, who's
Yes.
reading for you.
Yes.
So I believe that gets your focus maybe.
Yes. So that's how it is.
Perfect. Great. A book that you would recommend? Oh, one book for now.
One book for now. See, if you see business books or self-help books, I would say Atomic Habits, I said, is one great book. Also, I have always believed in Chanakya Sutras. So, Arthashastra is one book that we can read, though it's a big, you know, Arthashastra is a big book to read. So, there is also a smaller version, Chanakya's 100 Sutras. So,
Okay.
excellent summary of what Chanakya had thought so many centuries back, and it's of use to us today also in this business world. I think it's an excellent read. Other than that, I've also read books on yoga. So BKS Iyengar sir के books मैंने सब पढ़े, almost सारे पढ़े, because due to my certification also I had to do it. But then I've read all those books.
Perfect.
Yeah.
And आपकी एक यूनिक फिलोसॉफी रही है, जैसे हम बात कर रहे थे, I was understanding that you practice yoga for years and then you go for a formal degree. You handle sales marketing department, then you go for a formal degree. I guess people have been trained otherwise. पहले एक डिग्री लो एंड फिर उसका काम करो. So how is this approach helping you over the years कि कोई भी चीज़ का पहले प्रैक्टिस करो, उसको एग्जीक्यूशन में लाओ, and then you go to pursue a formal degree or certification in it. So how has that worked for you?
It has worked really well because ऐसे मैंने सोचा नहीं था कभी कि मैं पहले ये करूँगी और फिर उसका कुछ ना कुछ फॉर्मल एजुकेशन करूँगी. It happened in that way, but it has really helped because I feel कि once you are in that field for a particular time, say 3 years, 4 years, and you have had practical experiences, then when you go for a formal degree in that or a formal education in that, you are able to relate. Otherwise क्या होता है, in a formal education there are so many aspects are covered in that you are not able to relate, and when you come on the field maybe you forget. So then I always feel that practical experience is very important. Even for youngsters it is very important. So it's always said that work for few years and then do your MBA.
MBAs and all that.
Right.
Actually, they were supposed to be that way.
It is supposed to be that way, and that is what I would also recommend because you know the nuances of that field. It's like examples मिल जाते हैं. जैसे आप पूछते हो ना कि ये आपके लाइफ में सिचुएशन हो, उसका एग्जाम्पल दो, तो आपको अगर आप पढ़ रहे हो ना, आपको एग्जाम्पल रिलेट करने आते हैं कि वो सिचुएशन में मैंने ऐसा किया था वो टाइम पे, पर बुक बोल रहा है कि it could have been done in this way. So next time when the same situation pops up, obviously you will have the best of both the worlds, ki your practical experience and your learning experience, and you can combine it and it works wonders, I think.